that how you guys of nowadays behave? You want to use one stone to kill two birds at the same time?
No. Hello, Cheesy. Where are you? Okay, opposite the black gate. I'm coming. Yeah. Hi, Sammy. What's up? Okay, I'm coming. Yeah. Hi.
Hey, pretty lady.
How are you?
You look sweet. Fine.
Good to see you in person.
Yeah, same. Okay, so can we go?
I thought this is your house. Excuse me.
It's not my house.
Hello, Cheesy.
Hello, babe. What's up? I'll be standing right here now. Where are you? Okay, see me. Yeah. Hello, are you Judea? That's what I'm calling on for since.
Yes, I'm the one.
I've been waiting for you down there.
Cheesy, right?
Yes. Oh. Is that how you guys of nowadays behave? You want to use one stone to kill two birds at the same time?
No,
I've been standing
now.
there waiting for you. This is what you are doing here. I'm highly disappointed in you. I'm so
Cheesy.
sorry, I can't do this.
You think say you dey